I was just writing a C program, and was looking for a way to simply pause program execution for a couple of seconds. According to my Linux C documentation, chances are there's a sleep function available as part of the compiler package, and the corresponding header file is called unist. Sleep is a very simple standard function that takes a number of seconds as an input parameter, and waits the given amount of time before returning. But it turns out there's no unist H file in VBCC's AmigaOS target, and the function isn't t-implement. From what I am hearing, sleep is also not implemented in SAS, C, Q, as to Michal B. The sleep function is available in GCADGET, aka AMIGA developer environment, aka GCC and XML library, and it's implemented in networking libraries, such as the linker library for AMIT. But this has other implications, namely extra installation, XML, library considerations, and more. We wanna stick with VBCC, if possible, and keep overall effort on the low side. There are several ways to simulate a sleep function that just waits some time. One is to just keep the computer busy with a loop that does dummy operations, but that's not very nice in a multitasking environment like AmigaOS. Another is to count vertical blanks of the screen, using for example the function wait of, TOF means top of frame, or the function delay, from DAS library, which basically does the same, but includes the counting. This is a good way to create a pause, but you will have to translate time in seconds to time in ticks of your Amiga's video system, depending on power and TSC video standard. Yet another way to pause, and the most sophisticated, is to manually access timer device, create a timer request, and receive a timer message on some message port. That's perfect for a proper application program with a lot of infrastructure and user interaction, or if you need higher precision, but it's a little overkill if you really just want to pause your program for a couple of seconds. But there's a nice near, ROP, and replacement for the sleep function, namely TMLA, from AmigaOS linker library, aka AmigaLib. When you compile a program for AmigaOS, you will most likely be using the Amiga linker library anyway, and TMLA function does all calculations and timer device handling for you, so you can use it right away. You just need to tell TMLA which base unit it shall use, and the amount of time it shall wait. The base unit is one of timer device's units, which set the precision of the timer event. For low precision, vertical blanks as a base unit are fine. Two more parameters for TMLA, set the time in seconds, and microseconds. Microseconds will probably not be 100% precise, because the function has a little bit of overhead in handling timer device access, and calculating human time to computer time. TMLA returns an error code if, for example, an invalid unit number was given, or just 0 if the pause went well. Thanks for watching.